In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a supplier in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking to streamline your processes, this guide will help you efficiently manage your supplier contacts. Let's get started. First, you need to log in to Xero. Open your browser and go to the Xero login page. Enter your credentials, which are your email and password, and access your dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your business finances, so make sure your login details are correct to avoid any delays. Once you're in, locate the top menu. Click on the Business tab, which is designed to make navigating through Xero a breeze. From there, select Contacts and more specifically, Suppliers. This section is specifically for managing supplier contacts and ensures that you have all relevant supplier information in one place. Now that we're in the Supplier section, it's time to add a new supplier. Look for the Add Contact button, usually prominently displayed to guide you. Click on it and a new form will appear for entering the supplier's details. This form is crucial as it helps keep your records organized and ensures all necessary information is readily accessible. Moving on to entering the supplier information, this step is where you will fill in all the relevant details. Start with the supplier's name or their company name. This is essential for easy identification later on. Add their email address next, which is important for communication purposes like sending bills or remittance advices. A phone number and physical address should also be included, ensuring that you have multiple ways to contact them if needed. While it is optional, enter the bank account details if you wish to make future payments smoother and more efficient. Finally, if your supplier has specific tax details or identification, make sure to input those as well. This will help in compiling accurate financial reports. The final step is saving the new supplier. Before doing so, double-check the entered details for accuracy. Click Save once you're satisfied everything is correct. Once saved, the supplier instantly gets added to your suppliers list. This isn't just for your records, it ensures the supplier's information is available whenever you need to enter bills or make payments, effectively streamlining your financial operations. And that's it. You've successfully added a supplier in Xero. It's a simple yet vital task that helps keep your business finances organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to check out our other content for more tips on using Xero.